I highly recommend for at least 2 minutes that you properly warm up before you start any exercise program. Here is a little routine that you can follow. No need to rush. Do it at your own pace. But at least try to get a set of 5 of each exercise. This stretches the upper body. This exercise right here, with leg crossed over the other and going into a sitting position, hits the quads, hits the glutes, hits the lower back. And of course, the heel and toes are very good for the calf muscles. After properly warming up and stretching, you can begin your workout with some squats. With squats, you get a complete body workout. You can now move on to doing some push-ups, where it focuses on upper body strength. You can start off slowly and try to get a set between 5 and 10 push-ups. Increase in set as you get stronger. If it is too difficult to do it horizontal on the ground, then you can do it incline standing up, as shown in the video. Highly recommend another round of squats for full body workout intermittently in between the other exercises. That way, you get maximum results from your workout. Then if you're able, you can move on to more upper body strength training exercises like pull-ups. If pull-ups prove to be a little too difficult, then you can actually do a variation of pull-up incline on the ground as shown in the video. Now there you have it, the best 3 minutes spent with you. Now go get started on your workout journey. Enjoy, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to eat right, sleep right, meditate and relax to help complement your fitness journey and to gain maximum results.